Hey guys, welcome. My name is Beauties. Today I want to just quickly show you another light, how to set up the Lowel light. I have featured this light before. This light is another form of light for makeup artists. If you don't want to use your ring light kind of like gives you like a well-rounded light, but if you want like that sharp contrast, like if you want to take your photography to the next level, you're a makeup artist and you photograph your jobs yourself. So if you want to take your photography pictures, your images to another level, this light kind of like provides a sharp contrast against the skin, and then it's a hard light, so it just makes the picture look a bit more editorial. It gives you that effect. So let me go straight into it. If this is your first time here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Please don't forget to like, share, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe. Like, because I need to know if these videos are helping you, and that's the only way I will get to know. So let's go straight into it. So the first thing I'm going to share with you is it usually comes with, you need a stand. So this stand is actually a big stand. There are different types of stand. This stand is a full heavier stand. Like this one is really heavy. Meanwhile, there are other stands that are not as heavy as this one. These ones are actually good when it's going to be stationary. Maybe you're just going to be leaving the light in your studio, and then that's about it, because they're not easy to move around. You get, so this is what the stand looks like. Okay, it's really sturdy and it's heavy. So it has a knob here. You can unscrew the knob and open up like that, and then you screw it back. It's it. So you screw it back like that, and then it's balanced. Then if you want to increase the height, there are knobs here as well. You can use to increase the height. So you can take this one. Can you see? So you see. So that gives you the desired height you want. So let me say I want it this high. This is okay. Then this also has another space where you can extend. You understand? But I don't want it that high, so I just take it and then just come like that. So that's that about that. Then I have the head itself here. So this is what it comes in. Just open it up now. So you open it like this. It's a carton. So I'm going to come close to show you what's in it. So this is it. This is the light. This is the way it is. This is the light. This is the way it comes. So I'm just going to put it down and then try to set it up. So this is the major light. Okay, so this is where you put the bulb. Okay. And this is what you use to cover if you don't want it to be. That's it. Okay. So this place it has a screw and unscrew. So this is where you're going to put the stand. This is the bulb. Can you see? Halogen bulb. So this is what it looks like. Okay. This is the wire. Okay. So this is the wire. That's it. Okay, so I'll cut it. It's quite long. So this is the mouth it comes with. Okay. So first thing first, I'm gonna see. Put the bulb here into this place. So this is it. So what I did was, for you to put the bulb in, you have to move back these two knob. This one here is elastic, and move it back. These two, you move it back, and then you put the bulb in it. You have to be very careful, otherwise it will break. So just shift it back a bit, and then put it in. So what you just do is shift it back a bit and then put it inside, and then that's it. So okay, so you can now come like this. This is supposed to be in like this, so you close it. So that's it. This. Okay, so it goes in. So well, this is it. This side, put this one in it like that. That's the back, so it's firmly in it, and then you come here. So this side, this hole here, and this screw here. Can you see this screw here? This hole. So you mount it on the stand. So the keys. Do you understand? That's it. The keys. So this is it. This screw here. Add the screw at the back. Add the screw at the back. This is it. So put it here. Like that. And then you now screw it back. Tight. Okay, so that's it. So that's what you have. Okay. So that's it. Just put it there. And then, can you see? That's the light. You know. Let me put off the ring light so you can see. So that's it. That's how it comes on. And you can control from the knob. So it gives this orange light. But then another thing to notice, it's hot. So you need to be very careful. So there's a knob here that I used to control. So I just put it off. And then on. Off. And on. So that's it. So let me put on the ring light. You can see. Okay. So that's the ring light, and then that's the Lowel light. I hope you learned something. So that's it, guys. That's how the Lowel light works. Yeah. So it's a red light. It's a hard light. It's kind of like helps to complement the skin, especially when you're taking photographs of your clients. If you have light skin clients, this is perfect because it gives that glow and illumination. But another thing you need to note is this light is actually very good for makeup artists. If you do videos, say maybe like YouTube videos and all that, you probably might not need this kind of light because it is an orange light, so it won't give you that feel of the real texture of the skin and all that. You understand what I'm saying? So, and then another thing to note with this light is very, very powerful. The current it uses is a lot, so if you are not going to be using the big generator, or if you're going to be using the small generator, every other thing needs to be off so that I can power this light. Okay, and then another thing also to note is it's really, really hot. So when you're working with it, you're either going to have to put on your fan, or you just put it on quickly, taking pictures, and then that's about it. If you're looking for this light, is not going to work for you if you want to apply full face makeup. No, because it generates a lot of heat. So that means that your client will probably be sweating. Do you understand? But it's good for photography, like I said. If you want to take a picture of your client after you've done the makeup quickly and then put it off. So this is my regular good old ring light. That's what I'm using as my source of light. So the ring light still works perfectly if you know how to use it. The ring light still works perfectly. So that's all about this light. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you have any questions, please send your questions to me in the comment section below. I will definitely answer your questions. And what else? I think this light, the price fluctuates. So if Nigerian money, you can get this for, like, say, maybe 70, like 80,000 now, because of the dollar increment and all that. It is 8,000 and above. So this light is going for like 80,000 naira currently as of today as I speak, and above, depending on where you're getting it from. So that's how much light is going for. It's quite expensive, and you must really, know how to use it to get it. And so that's all about the lights. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you have made it this far, thank you. I'm grateful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any question at all, you can ask me in the comment section. And till my next video, guys. Bye.